Hi, once again it's Mike from TechMyMoney.com. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the GN32DR gaming monitor from Viotek. Currently priced at $429.99 on Amazon. I'll be leaving a link in the description for those who are interested in getting their hands on one. Unboxing the GN32DR, you will find your monitor stand, a base, a power cable, a display port cable, a bunch of screws and tools, and a user manual. It's a 1440p gaming monitor with FreeSync and has a refresh rate of 144Hz. For its price point, I've really enjoyed using this monitor for a couple of weeks now, and all I could say is the pros outweighs its cons. Let's start with the specs. Like I said earlier, it's a 1440p panel and has a refresh rate of 144Hz out of the box. The GN32DR has a 16:9 aspect ratio and comes with a 4 millisecond overdrive response time and a brightness of 250 nits. The monitor comes with a V8 panel, which is way better than TN panels when it comes to color reproduction. There's no noticeable backlight bleed, and the bezels around the panels are thin enough for those who fancy multiple setups. As expected from a VM monitor, the panel is capable of displaying 96% of sRGB and 72% of the NTSC color gamut. With a few settings and adjustment, using the monitor for some post-production work was attainable. The monitor has a rugged metal stand with a red plastic accent that Viotek calls rage-proof. This helps keep the monitor securely locked in place while still being angled and height adjustable. With the included stand, we do get a good amount of adjustment. The back of the monitor is made of plastic, same goes for the red accent design all over the monitor. The buttons to navigate through the menu can be found underneath the right side of the monitor. It's very easy to navigate. This is where you'll see your current settings, switch through profiles, and other settings like brightness, color temperature, contrast, and options to overclock the monitor. You can also add a crosshair to the center of the screen or use the picture-in-picture to display images from two different sources. The IOs are underneath the monitor. In addition to the 3.5mm audio jack, we have the DVI, HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.2, and the power connector. Playing games on this monitor was a lot snappier and awesome when compared to the 60Hz monitor I've been using. The difference is clear, especially when coming from 60Hz to a 144Hz panel. To really enjoy this monitor, you definitely should have a high-end GPU. And all I can say is that for its price point, this monitor is for anyone who's looking for a solid gaming monitor that's affordable and well built. Before now, I had two monitors on my desk, one for gaming and the other for productivity. So I decided to change things up a little bit this year and reclaim my space on my desk. Well, that's it for the hands-on of the Viotek GN32DR. Once again, it's Mike from TechMyMoney.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more videos.